and roll! Oh, I'm doomed! There goes the sequel, Cataclysm! Oh, please stop! No, please! Ow! No, no, no! Doink! Armageddon! I don't get it! That's not right! I am wrapped in darkness. Catastrophe! Nothing is safe! Ouch! Ooh! Dig it, stop, dig it, stop! No! No! It's the entire world as we know it! Enough! Buddy angry! The pain! What on earth do I deserve that for? The end is here! Apocalypse! Oh, God, God! Enough! Ah! This is very unstable. There's nothing sacred. Read the directions! Well, looks like it's doomsday. Mayday! Mayday! Cataclysm! Whoa! Oh! Don't! Ow! Ow! No, 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 no! Ow! Ow, ow, ow! Ow! Even give up! Oh, the earth moved for me. I feel the earth move under my feet. Armageddon! I'm dying! Ow! Whee! Catastrophe! Rock and roll!
Excuse me, sir? What's the craziest thing you would sacrifice for Brazil to win it all?
Neymar.
You'd give up Neymar playing?
Yeah.
You don't think he's playing good?
I need Vinny.
Make sure you're making your predictions on Kalshi, the best place to trade for the
Stop! Ow! Oh, please stop! No, please! Oh! Are you taking it? Oh! the sequel? I don't get it. Nothing is safe. Oh, God. There's nothing sacred. No. Oh! The end is here. Cataclysm! Read the directions. That's not right. Nothing is safe. Doink! Time out! Go! It's the end. No.